Is it coming?
Yeah.
Hit it with a bigger hammer.
You get a bigger hammer. I ain't swinging it.
Excuse you. You know, the fact that it, that almost was my face.
Well, put it down there.
The fact it doesn't look like it's been greased for the last 30 years.
But it has grease in it.
I started to cut this, but I'm thinking maybe I should cut from the bottom up, no? Because it's gonna do that.
Well, this side's solid yet.
Oh, that side's definitely solid. So just cut.
For now.
So we cut the hard one straight through, and then cut the butter one?
Yeah, I cut the bottom, and then we can always put a chain on here.
Oh yeah, we can do that.
I'll hold it up.
I'd rather cut from the top down anyways.
Well, I cut the bottom one in that you come over to here and then start from the top down.
Alright.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get the Sawzall humming. I gotta cut this wire off quick for my gas tank sending unit, which is right here. We need this for the new tank.
Here, I guess? The sway bar links, that way you're not...
We gotta take the shocks off too.
Yeah.
And the sway bar link, where the heck does that mount? That mounts out here.
There.
Oh.
Get it?
Behind the spring. So Tommy, why don't we just cut this loose and we'll just drag it over there? So we don't have to go back and forth 15 times.
They could.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll just cut this and then we'll just drag it over there. And then we get the air, we don't have to stretch a million hoses out, none of that stuff.
I was going to use the battery tools.
Huh?
I used the battery one.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That's what you want to do.
Don't matter.
But there again, we can get that stuff off when we stand it up. So, let's come over there and do some cutting. Right, Nutter? Here you go. Top down, eh? That side went like butter. Where's that hammer? Oh my God.
Yeah, get rid of the rust.
And they were using this truck. Wow. Can't even see where I was cut. The crack is right. That's good. Safety standpoint, we decided we'd put the machine on it. Because this side is almost ready to break off.
The spring that you were looking for.
Did you?
Yeah.
That's one. Got a lot of weight there.
Yeah, what?
Huh. For safety reasons, we actually went and got jack stands. That's not normal. Usually we're brave and daring. there's fuel.
So.
Good point. What are you doing, Nutter? Huh? Supervising? Your tail's down. What's wrong with your tail? Is it broken? Oh, we're making smoke now. That's the last charged battery we got too. So don't make junk out of it. It's no wonder these frames rot. All that buildup that nobody ever washes, nobody ever cleans is what rots these frames to death. And this is a double frame yet. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. This side ain't too bad. But still. We're brave. We may have to get the gas axe out yet. Not sure.
Just that corner.
Try to stay away from that frame as much as you can, Tommy.
Stay away from the frame. Oh.
Because I don't know if this was twisted when we parked it. It might flop and go either way.
Oh, it ain't going that bad.
Yeah, well, it could. Hard side.
Huh?
I gave you the hard side.
Yeah, you said it was supposed to be easy.
It should have been. That's not good. Did it go?
No, the blade came out, but it's only a little bit yet. We're smoking.
Tommy, you're smoking. Oh, you gotta give that a break a minute, dude. You're gonna burn it up.
Probably already that way anyway.
Hey, maybe we pick it. Maybe if you just pick it up, it'll snap it.
It might.
There's a smidge holding. You jerk that up and down once or twice, it'll break.
Oh.
It's that little of a bit.
Yeah, that's what I said. It's only that little bit.
Right, Nutter?
Oh, well, the truck went the other way.
Did it? I think that blade is junk. Okay. I'm glad I got that on film. That thing is heavy.
Oh, yeah.
Yep. We're making junk. We should start our own garage. With a sawzall, a hammer, and a screwdriver, we could fix anything.
Yeah. See, good.
All right, I guess we'll try to yank this thing over there.
It lays in it.
And here. I knocked all this stuff off.
Oh, yeah.
That's one reason why if we can avoid using wood on Blacksheep, I'd rather not. If there's some way we can do it different, because you're going to have the same thing.
Yeah, I don't know what else.
You know, we can make tabs or do something to put the bed down, because you're going to eventually, this is what's going to happen. And this is, I'm trying to, because that's what, all that beat off over there. That's all it was.
What I could do.
From under the wood.
Yeah, I mean, other than, usually it's like an inch. I'm thinking, see, I know C channel is 3 inches. That is decent. You know,
Yeah.
to have a lip on it.
Bolt it on the side?
But 2-inch gets down narrow, but you know what?
Bolt it on the side and go up, or what?
No. Instead of putting the, I just thought of it, box tubing.
Yeah.
Instead of putting the wood in, put the box tubing down, only if they're, you know.
Yeah.
And you do that as your blocks.
Yeah.
And then make sure you weld the box tubing to this side.
Yeah.
And then make sure that you just U-bolt in that area to hold it down.
Because with the wood, you're going to do the same thing.
Right.
The wood holds moisture.
Yeah.
The steel won't.
Right. Yeah.
And then I can seam seal them to the frame, too.
Right.
To keep everything out.
Yeah, you can actually caulk it underneath and then put it down.
Yep.
That
in the wood, you can't do that.
Perfect.
Yeah, that'll work. Peanut, what are you doing over there?
Hiding.
All right, we'll yank this sucker around. The only problem I can see with this is I'm hoping this truck works. The ohms for the tank is the same as mine. It might be different.
Yeah.
And I don't know how to figure that out. Never done that before.
It's not hard. A new gas gauge for your truck and a new gas gauge for this truck.
And see if it's the same thing.
And see what the ohms are reading. See what the ohms...
Because I never dealt with that before.
Because the ohms got to be the same.
Oh, all right. Never dealt with that before.
Yeah, I did that with the Jeep. I couldn't figure it out. So I called one of the Jeep places, one of the books, and they looked it up and they said your ohms are like 80 to 90 in the tank.
All right.
Yeah, somebody will tell you. You need to.
Apparently, they're confused. Luckily, we didn't get bombed on. We're going to hook to the deck and drag it around over there. She's got a plan. Watch out, Nutter. I think the motor's falling out of that thing. Now what am I doing here? I don't know either. Yeah, if I can get the chain underneath there, then I'll hook it to your bucket. Try it now. Nope. With a lot of mud. Yo, what are you doing? Stop! Put it down. I need to get over there.
Walk around.
You're killing me.
Well, you're the one who wanted it up.
I didn't want it up 30 feet in the air.
Why not?
I only wanted it far enough to get the chain under it.
Well, it makes your stuff high enough.
But no. Yeah. Let's see what happens. Very primitive, but it's working. Uh-oh. He's spinning. Yo, you gotta get out. Now you gotta come around this side and we're gonna pick it up. Take sway bar links off. To believe it or not, I don't want to wreck because they do look good. and we have to take the shocks off. I'm sure plenty of people have seen that before, so we're just going to get those off quick and go from. Okay, everything's ready. Now we got to do is pick it up. And this is like really safe. Like, I can't imagine how safe this is.
Yeah, what? Maybe move.
I would have rather you use the bucket.
Well, you move the grinder. I'm just gonna flip it over. You can't take the axle off that way.
No.
Yeah.
We're all about safety. What are you laughing about? Watch your car back there. So watch your car. Dude, it ain't gonna work. The only way to do it, Tom, you gotta do it from the side. Why not? Yeah, from the side. I gotta move the hamster again. This should be good. I'm scared. I just watched him hit his car with the chain. Ugh. I better move the grinder again. I don't think this is the way a normal garage takes the rear end out. Perfect. Unbelievable. Just unbelievable. Hey, I saw you hit your car with that chain.
It only touched it.
Yeah, this will be easy now. We'll buzz the U-bolts off.
Yeah.
These things don't even look like they belong here.
They probably do. They're for it. Some are that way, some are different. Yeah.
Ooh, rear end was leaking.
Mm-hmm.
You know, it doesn't matter. I got to drain it anyway. That thing's a lot bigger than mine.
Well, yeah.
That's fine.
It's a heavier rear.
All right, let's get these U-bolts off.
Yeah.
There we go. I can't even put weight on this truck.
Huh?
This truck was just inadequate. 11,000 pound rear with U-bolts for a Jeep. You know what?
Yeah.
12,000 pound rear with U-bolts for a Jeep. I mean, like, seriously? You are not supposed to use a drill for that.
I didn't use the battery.
Okay. Telling you right now, this rear end is not going to fit in that hamster. Before you get any bright ideas.
It'll fit when I'm done.
Oh my God. You just dumped dirt in my boot. So what are you going to do, just chain it and pick it up?
Other than the brake line, that might be about it.
Yeah, there should be nothing else
Yeah.
to cut. It should be good.
Yeah, I would say the brake line, if anything.
I know one thing, this rear end sure's got leakage. Hey, it ain't a posi either.
No, they never are.
Really?
Yeah. Well, it might be.
Only one wheel turns.
Right, but when you gun it with the dry shaft, it'll lock both of them.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, if it has a locker in it. Yeah, if it has a Detroit locker, it'll do that. He says he evened out the chain. Hey, that chain's not even. That chain's not even close to being even.
What?
I thought you said he evened out the chain.
I did. It's close enough.
It's off by like a foot.
So?
Unbelievable.
Wrap it around the axle and don't worry about it.
Yo, you remove the brake line. Yep, that'll end up going to my house. Don't know when. Whenever he decides to bring it over, I guess. Oh, I was right. I told you they would. I don't know where he's going. Tractor should be working better now since we hit the carburetor with a hammer. What transmission? Okay, now we gotta do something with what's left. It really looks like junk now.
That's why I said the helpers came off.
Yeah, they're not bolted fast. These helpers actually look good.
Yeah. Yeah, usually they are bolted through the center spring hanger.
Well, not on this one, but look what we're dealing with.
Right.
Man, I could imagine driving this truck on the road.
Yeah.
It must have been scary.
Well, it's definitely heavy on the back end.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
There's got to be a ton right there.
Oh, yeah.
You think?
Has to be. Well, other than your spring hangers, what else do you need off of it?
I don't.
Other than taking the plastic tank out.
Yeah.
That may, and well, we'll have to yank this wood off.
And you said you want the cylinders and stuff out of
I
it.
ain't gonna worry about it. It's not worth trying to beat them out. Yeah, they're only little things if you think of it.
Yeah, they are.
Yeah, they're only good for like the motors, if that. And I have ones on it. Yeah.
Yeah, I need them things off yet, and that ain't happening today.
Right.
We working at Sunday, maybe I'll drill on them a while.
Yeah.
Said I'll be able to get right at them. I should be able to get in there with the cutoff wheel and get them, because that's usually, that works. Said I take the cutoff wheel, I zip the rivet off, I need to drill them a little bit and smack them.
Right.
If we can get these springs to come the hell out of the way the rest of the way, that would be nice.
Well, that one, you had to finish the bolt.
Yeah, I gotta take the bolt out.
Just got to pry on.
I flop them out of the way, I can get right in there with the grinder.
Oh, I got to use the grinder again. I didn't cut the ear down low enough. Right there.
These springs are really light duty too. Mine are a lot wider than this. All right, let's clean this.
These are the size that they used back in that time. 97 on my truck, went 3 inches wide.
That's what they are on my truck.
Yeah.
They're
no,
3.
They look 2.
No, they're wider than that.
No, they look about this.
I measured them.
Yeah. But you could, and they're meaty, but they didn't use as many springs.
Yeah.
Is what they did.
So I don't know if these would be worth salvaging or not. All right, we're gonna clean up what's left here so I can get out of here and get back in the garage. Thanks for watching Wrenching Rick's Garage. Please subscribe. More stuff going on at the farm with Tommy, more in the garage. Peanut too. Have a good night.